Welcome to Blenheim Palace, one of the most breathtaking and luxurious estates in the entire United Kingdom. Located in the heart of Oxfordshire, this magnificent palace isn't just a home, it's a piece of British royal history. Built in the early 18th century, it's the birthplace of Sir Winston Churchill, and a UNESCO World Heritage Site that defines true grandeur. With over 2,000 acres of stunning gardens, lakes, and golden stone architecture, Blenheim Palace looks like something straight out of a fairy tale. From its majestic halls and priceless art collections to its cinematic landscape seen in Hollywood movies, this mansion perfectly blends royal luxury, history, and timeless beauty. It's not just a house, it's a living masterpiece, a symbol of British elegance admired by millions around the world. Welcome to Chatsworth House, one of the most loved and breathtaking stately homes in all of England, a true symbol of British luxury, art, and heritage. Nestled in the heart of Derbyshire's Peak District, Chatsworth House has been home to the Duke and Duchess of Devonshire for over 16 generations. Every corner of this grand estate tells a story, from royal visits to art treasures that span over 500 years of history. The first thing that captures your heart is the magnificent Baroque architecture. Built in the late 1600s, its golden stone facade glows under the sunlight, reflecting elegance and timeless design. Inside, over 25 grand rooms await, including a breathtaking painted hall, a grand staircase, and lavishly decorated staterooms filled with masterpieces by artists like Rembrandt, Gainsborough, and Da Vinci. But the magic doesn't end there. Step outside and you're surrounded by 105 acres of sculpted gardens. Imagine fountains shooting skyward, cascading waterfalls, marble statues, and glasshouses filled with rare plants. The Cascade Fountain and Emperor Fountain are world-famous, designed to impress royalty and visitors alike. Chatsworth isn't just a house, it's a living masterpiece. It's appeared in countless movies and TV series, including Pride and Prejudice and The Duchess, turning it into a global icon of British elegance. Every year, millions of visitors come here to witness its grandeur, its art, and its soul. Whether it's the golden glow of sunrise over the estate or the candlelit magic of Christmas at Chatsworth, this house feels alive, timeless, and unforgettable. Welcome to Waddesdon Manor, a fairy tale palace in the heart of Buckinghamshire, built to amaze and inspire. This masterpiece was created in the late 19th century by Baron Ferdinand de Rothschild, one of Europe's wealthiest and most influential families. Designed in the elegant neo-Renaissance style, the manor looks like it was transported straight from the French Loire Valley, but with a British twist of charm and luxury. United Kingdom, France. As soon as you step inside, you're surrounded by pure opulence, golden ceilings, glittering chandeliers, and walls filled with priceless art, French furniture, and royal antiques collected from all across Europe. Every room feels like stepping into a royal dream. Outside, the beauty continues. Formal gardens, fountains, sculptures, and perfectly lined trees stretch across the rolling hills of the English countryside. During spring, it's covered in colorful tulips. In winter, it transforms into a magical wonderland of lights and festivals. Today, Waddesdon Manor is managed by the National Trust, welcoming millions of visitors every year who come to experience its history, beauty, and world-class art collection. It's not just a house, it's a celebration of taste, culture, and timeless elegance that defines the true essence of British grandeur. Welcome to Montacute House, one of England's most enchanting and perfectly preserved Elizabethan mansions, located in the peaceful countryside of Somerset. Built in 1598 by Sir Edward Phillips, the man who helped prosecute Guy Fawkes, Montacute stands as a golden symbol of Tudor power, beauty, and craftsmanship. Its glowing honey-colored hemstone and symmetrical design make it one of the finest examples of Elizabethan Renaissance architecture in all of Britain. Step inside and you're taken back more than 400 years. Every corridor, portrait, and carved ceiling tells stories of English nobility and history. The Long Gallery, stretching over 172 feet, is one of the longest in England, lined with portraits from the National Portrait Gallery, showcasing kings, queens, and legends of the past. Outside, Montacute is surrounded by beautifully manicured Elizabethan gardens, stone statues, and flower-filled lawns, the perfect setting for films and dramas like Sense and Sensibility and Wolf Hall. Today, managed by the National Trust, Montacute House continues to enchant millions of visitors with its timeless charm, golden glow, and the feeling of stepping into a real-life Tudor fairy tale. Welcome to Brympton d'Eversey, often called the most beautiful manor house in England. Located in the heart of Somerset, this stunning historic estate blends medieval charm, Georgian grace, and timeless English countryside beauty. Dating back to the 13th century, Brympton d'Eversey has been expanded and cared for over hundreds of years, giving it a magical mix of architectural styles. Inside, the manor features over 30 luxurious rooms, including 8 grand bedrooms, each with its own character, antique furniture, and royal charm. The drawing rooms are filled with vintage paintings, glowing fireplaces, and large windows overlooking green lawns and lakes. The dining hall is a masterpiece, perfect for royal-style dinners and candlelit evenings. The manor includes 7 elegant bathrooms with marble floors and vintage fittings that blend classic design with comfort. The country-style kitchen is spacious and warm, featuring traditional stone walls, wooden beams, and modern amenities, a perfect mix of old and new. Outside, Brympton boasts 33 acres of gardens, lakes, orchards, and courtyards, creating an atmosphere of peace and luxury. It's a favorite destination for weddings, films, and royal-style events, offering the true experience of English elegance and heritage. This isn't just a house, it's a living fairy tale, where every room whispers history and every corner shines with timeless beauty. Welcome to Trafalgar Park, also known as Trafalgar House, a breathtaking Georgian masterpiece nestled in the rolling hills of Wiltshire, England. Originally built in the 1730s by architect John James, this grand estate became world-famous when it was gifted to Admiral Lord Nelson's family after his victory at the Battle of Trafalgar, a moment that changed British history forever. The house features over 40 rooms, each reflecting the pure elegance of 18th-century neoclassical design. From its marble entrance hall and grand staircase to its ornate drawing rooms and sunlit galleries, Trafalgar Park feels like walking through a living museum of luxury. There are 10 large bedrooms, each beautifully designed with tall sash windows, decorative ceilings, and stunning countryside views. The main dining room glows with chandeliers and mirrors, perfect for royal banquets. The kitchen wing retains its traditional charm, with stone floors, rustic beams, and historic detailing that reflect the life of Old English nobility. The estate also includes lavish bathrooms, servant quarters, and massive gardens stretching over 70 acres of lawns, lakes, and tree-lined paths. Today, Trafalgar Park remains privately owned and preserved as one of Britain's finest country houses, a place where history, heritage, and grandeur come together in perfect harmony.